Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of Suno. You will click on Suno app, you will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Suno and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Suno AI and you will turn on you will update your app, so please don't forget to support us.